Hey there, rock stars. All right. Today's secret sauce is what I believe to be a bit of a game changer for our sales process. When was the last time you stared at a restaurant menu with 13 pages and felt overwhelmed? Right? Oh man, that sounds good. I don't know, man. I just want to get something to eat. That same feeling is happening to your customers if you are slapping a catalog down in front of them, and a lot of times we do that, and then we gleefully say, "We can get all these. You got this." Like, and it's called the paradox of choice. When people have too many options, they freeze. And the honest truth is, confused minds don't buy. An overwhelmed customer will walk away or ghost you completely. And they may even say to you, "Oh, all those choices are great." And then they turn around and walk away. They head up the street because they came to you for your expert advice from an expert decorator. Simplify your offer. Don't just throw a whole catalog at them. Yes, at some point during the conversation, you can say, "Hey, we can even get even more, but let me curate this for you." Be the expert by first asking them some questions to really truly understand their needs. Then give your customers 2 to 3 thoughtful packaged options that will align with their needs and their style and their goals. Now, if you're somebody that's an apparel decorator, instead of them showing them the 50 shirt styles, offer them a good, a better, and a best. You know, the good, most popular, better, high quality or kind of fashion fit, the best kind of premium with standout features. And as a little bonus tip, right, I fell into that trap of like good, better, and best. I love that, right? But let's take it one step further. Name your tiers based on the outcomes they're going to receive, not the features, not the good, better, best. So maybe your 3 levels are everyday reliable. You know, that's your standard t-shirt. Or you want the stylish and branded option. You know, that's more of your fashion fit, the higher quality stuff. Or VIP event ready right out the door, premium standout product. So I just want to encourage you guys today to look at one of your products or services you offer and create 3 name package options that make buying feel simple, aligned, and ready for the result the package is named after. Your customers are going to feel more confident. You're going to close more sales. And that's your secret sauce for today.